seriously made some distance with that lawnmower. We're back to 61 degrees. My hand grip was getting too hot. The left one. The right one feels nice. Somebody's beer can in the middle of the road. Why would you come to a national park and throw your trash out? That's just wrong. It's like going out in the ocean and throwing all your cans and your garbage overboard. Or going to the gas station and pumping your gas and jumping in your car while your gas is being pumped, and then when it's done, when your tank's filled up, instead of pulling the handle out of your car, you just drive off with the hose. That's genius level thinking there. There they are. That smells really good. Right off the back of the mower. That smells really good. Goldwing. I don't know if mowing the Blue Ridge Parkway would be a fun job or a boring job. One would think for about a week it might be pretty fun. Look what you get to see. Not everybody gets to come up here in their lifetime. I mean, how fortunate are we? And let me just throw it out there. Hit that thumbs up button. And if you're ever in Murphy, North Carolina area, and you want to go on a trip on the Blue Ridge Parkway, how about you include me? I'd be happy to join you on a moderately paced ride on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I do have a radar detector. Roland and I might be the youngest people up here this morning. We are near the top right now. It just don't get any better than this. It just does not get better than this. Tell me I'm wrong. Wow. One of us should have pulled over and given you guys a good view of that overlook. Wow just doesn't explain it. If the next one looks good, I'll pull off. Beautiful up here. Could you imagine being on the crew that put this in? Cutting this road in. Being up here first thing in the morning to go to work. Alright, here. I said I'd pull in. This one is high up. It is not situated though for taking video, but there you go, right there. Look how far off those mountains are. That is incredible. That is just incredible. That view wasn't near as good as the one before it. And it might not be as good as that one. Look at that one with all the clouds on top of the mountains. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna pull off on this one. This one's so much better. This one's so much better. Alright, here you go.